So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. And she decides to switch it up with this shoulder length bob style. Very nice. I love how simple and chic this hairstyle is. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Here we have someone that decided to go banana yellow, and then we move into another exotic hair color transformation. This client has some absolutely gorgeous, thick and long hair. So it looks like the stylist is going to be doing some blue with some other colors mixed in. We have some pink, some yellow. Wow. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. She did give her some nice face framing bangs as well. Absolutely stunning makeover. So next up we have someone who is going to be trying the layered haircut trend. The stylist is very good at doing these layered haircut styles. Very nice. She did get the curtain bangs. Beautifully done. So for this next one, we are going to see a cut and a color transformation. Stylist does a bit of a mullet for this one. And then goes bright orange for the hair coloring. Wow, very cool. Well, it looks like she has a hint of red going there mixed in as well. Next up, we have someone who has a shoulder length hair. looks like she decided to switch it up with this mini bob haircut. Beautiful face framing bangs. I really like the color on this with the purple. Such a cute hairstyle idea. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. A lot of bold and vibrant hair color changes with this one. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.